In today's video, I will show you how to edit Tinder profile. Your Tinder profile serves as your personal digital billboard, and keeping it freshly updated is the absolute best way to stay relevant in a fast-moving matching pool where millions of users swipe through choices every single day. Fine-tuning your bio and updating your details can give your profile cards a massive visibility boost. To refresh your setup, open the Tinder app or head over to tinder.com and ensure you are logged in. From the home screen, select the profile icon to open your personal page, and then choose either the pencil icon or the edit info button. Once inside the editor, you have total creative freedom to modify your photos and video loops, rewrite your About Me bio, update your lifestyle and interest tags, or add your pronouns and height. You can also specify your exact relationship goals, update your language fluencies, or change your job title, company, school, and current living city. Finally, you can adjust your listed gender and sexual orientation to keep your stack completely accurate. An interesting security fact to keep in mind is that your name and your age are the only two specific details on your profile that you cannot change after creating an account, which is a built-in protection measure designed to keep identity fraud low. If you do make a mistake on those details, your only option is to delete your account entirely and build a fresh one from scratch. On a brighter note, if you are a premium Tinder subscriber, you get the added advantage of being able to hide specific information from public view entirely, such as completely masking your age or your exact distance from potential matches. And that's it. That's how to edit Tinder profile.